Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand painted, very elegant hand painted sarees on pure acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a light blue color pallu with zari lines, same color blouse piece, a contrast one to the body with body color border one side in the blouse piece, and we have black as the body color here, pure black, half and half type. The top half is completely border plain one, complete no design, and lower half we have the painting work. The paint here is very different. You can see beautiful flowers, rose design which is done using the blue color, the contrast pallu color, and we have leaves which is in pastel grey, and we have beautiful borders which is also in the pallu color, a contrast as well as a very elegant artwork done on Tassa and comes with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand painted, with beautiful color combination sarees here done on pure Tassa by Tassa and comes with authentic silk mark. It is a acid washed boiled Tassa, light pink shade pallu with same pink blouse piece. The pallu have zari lines and the blouse piece have one side body color border. The whole saree have the pink base for the zari borders, and we have beautiful hand painting design in the lower half alone, a half and half. Top half is plain and the lower half is beautiful painting work. The paint is also done in the pallu color for the flowers, and we have leaves in a light pastel green. Elegant saree. The combination of the saree is really beautiful, a pretty one with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed, hand painted. Very elegant pallu. It is a rust color, rusty orange color pallu. The saree here is a soft and beautiful Tassa, acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Same pallu color blouse piece with one side the green borders, which is in the body color. The body color is a forest green here with light pastel shade finish. Top is completely plain and the lower half is completely painted. The painting is done using the opposite color, the contrast pallu color. The flowers are in orange and we have the leaves in light pastel green. Beautiful combination. The borders of the saree is also contrast here. Elegant saree color which is very rare, which comes with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand painted, a very elegant hand painted Tassa silk done on premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have an yellow pallu with beautiful zari lines, and we have same yellow blouse piece with one side blue borders. The saree here is in Ananda blue, beautiful shade with the florals done in the opposite yellow color, pallu color. The borders are also in the pallu color with the leaves which is done using light grey shade. Beautiful saree. The contrast combination of the saree is very attractive with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, hand painted. A very elegant hand painting done on pure acid washed boiled Tassa fabric, a lightweight, soft, beautiful fabric, and it is a light rustic orange color pallu with same color blouse piece, and we have one side the black borders, a complete contrast body color. The pallu color is, and we have a black color saree in jet black with lower half alone having the hand painting work. The flowers as well as the border of the saree is in the base pallu color. Very elegant orange flowers with the leaves in light blue and grey mixed color. Pastel shade used for the leaves color. Elegant saree in a contrast painting work, and it comes with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand painted. A very elegant hand painting work done on pure Tassa by Tassa. It is a boiled acid washed Tassa silk. It is light and beautiful sarees, and light blue color, almost a copper sulphate blue is given in the blouse piece and pallu. Pallu have zari lines and blouse piece have one side the body color border. The body color is a light royal blue with the prints, the paints done using the opposite contrast color. Light blues used for the flower painting, completely hand painted. And we have the leaves that is done using mild grey color. The borders of the saree is also in the contrast color, complete in blue combination saree for the blue lovers with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed, hand painted, very elegant acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. On it the hand painting work is done. Soft and elegant fabric with a yellow color pallu here, zari lines as well as same yellow color blouse piece is given with red borders one side. The body of the saree is complete red, a pastel shade red color, beautiful one with the lower half alone having the painting work. The painting work is done in the contrast color, light pastel green and blue mixed shade, and is given for the leaves, and we have flowers that is very bright yellow. Borders of the saree is also in the pallu color. Excellent saree in a beautiful combination and comes with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand painted. A very beautiful acid washed boiled tassa fabric. On it the hand painting work is done. Here we have yellow base and blue base for the pallu, and we have beautiful purple and white used for the hand painting design. And purple is given for the blouse piece also here, the contrast blouse piece with yellow borders in one side. The saree here is very beautiful, a different design. The purple part decreases and the stripes and the yellow part increases, and then we have the teal blue color also in the saree, which comes in the center part of the top, and when it goes to the lower half it is completely half and half pattern. It's a half saree type. Very elegantly the hand painting is also done. You can see the cream color, and the flowers are done in rustic orange color base. Beautiful one with zari borders in both sides. It's a completely a half saree model with authentic silk work. Pure tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand painted, very elegant hand paint, exclusive designs done on a very pure acid washed boiled tussar fabric. Here we have a very beautiful black shade pallu with yellow color used for the hand painting here. Elegant big flower designs. Very beautifully it's hand painted with the zari borders as well. And we have a contrast pallu blouse piece, that is a yellow blouse piece with one side the black borders. It's a very different concept saree. The hand paints here are completely done the top portion of the body, and when it goes down the hand paint portion decreases, and almost only the half and half portion is hand painted and the top half is completely plain yellow. Very elegant one when it is bad. The black and yellow combination is also really attractive with authentic silk work. Pure tussar silk saree, hand painted, a very elegant, soft, acid washed boiled tussar fabric. On it the hand painting work is done. Here we have a very different pallu, a beetroot color given in the edge of the saree, and the blue is also given with stripes pattern which is done using cream color, and we also have zari lines in the saree. And this is the blouse piece. It is a contrast blouse piece in blue, light sky blue color, and the saree here is very different. The top portion is completely in the beetroot pink with the checked pattern, a curvy pattern given in the cream, and the lower half is completely a stripes pattern with multi-colors. You can see yellow, green and blue colors alternatively given all over the saree in a stripes pattern. Very different one, almost a partly, again the beetroot portion comes, only in the fleets portion the stripes pattern comes. So it's a partly pallu saree with authentic silk mark. Pure tussar silk saree, hand painted one, very elegantly done on acid washed boiled tussar fabric, lightweight beautiful fabric. On it the hand painting work is done, and here the block print is done in the pallu with zari lines on a beautiful grey finish. The pallu is grey here with a blue blouse piece, a contrast blouse piece to the pallu, but the saree color is same as in the blouse piece color. The saree here is having a beautiful half and half pattern. The top half is plain ananda blue and the lower half is completely hand painted on the cream base. You can see the beautiful colors, mild greyish green, and is used for the painting leaves and the twigs, and we have the florals done on red and yellow color. Beautiful hand painting work, very artistic, fine finished saree with authentic silk mark. Pure tussar silk saree, hand painted, very elegant acid washed boiled tussar fabric. Here we have a very beautiful pallu, multicolored pallu. It is in the base of black. Multiple colors are given here with the leaf and a spiral pattern painted, and we have a contrast black blouse piece, complete black it is, contrast to the body. The zari border here is in black base, so it is done using the antique finish zari. You can see the beautiful work and a very different pattern hand painted here. This is the starting of the body, the chest portion. You can see multiple colors used here, yellow, red, purple, and it goes on. And the red portion comes here, the maroonish red it is with the just painted design. And again the same semicircles pattern with multiple colors is given at the bottom of the saree. Really beautiful, very different design, completely hand painted on a basic beautiful tussar, and it comes with authentic silk. Pure tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand painted, done on a premium acid washed boiled tussar fabric. Here we have a very beautiful color, a blue with light grey tinge color, very elegant, same color pallu with hand painted design in the pallu, and we also have zari lines, same color plain blouse piece. Both sides we have zari borders with the blouse piece. The complete zari border done here is in golden shade. Beautiful color, a very different colored saree with hand paints, that is in the lily concept water lily concept. You can see the leaves that is done in yellow and the lilies done in a pink shade color. Very beautiful one. The water lilies done hand painted on a very elegant drab color shade saree and comes with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand painted. A very elegant hand painting design done on premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a blue, sky blue color pallu with zari lines, and we have same blue blouse piece with both sides zari borders. One side of the border is given grey here, deep grey color for the borders. It's antique finish zari. And the saree here is in beautiful cream color with the paint work done only in the lower half of the saree. The rose and leaves pattern. Beautiful blue roses which matches the pallu and blouse piece, and the leaves in the pastel green. Very elegant saree, shuttle and beautiful one with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand painted. A very beautiful collection here. Here we have a peach color, mild pink shade peach it is, pallu with zari lines, and we have same peach blouse piece with one side blue borders. The saree here is painted in light blue, a very light pastel shade blue it is, and on it the painting work is done in the lower side alone. Second half, the lower half of the saree, fully painted work. Floral, it's a very famous beautiful design, the rose design which is done in the pallu color, and the leaves are done in light pastel green. The borders of the saree is also in the peach shade. Elegant combo, very beautiful saree with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand painted. Here we have a beautiful collection, colorful saree here. Royal blue and sea blue color occupies the saree all over. The pallu have stripes pattern also using cream color along with the zari lines. And here we have a beautiful blue blouse piece with one side green border. The royal blue comes in the bottom of the saree. The middle portion is completely sea blue. Top and bottom we have royal blue with the boat and butterfly, the water concept with beautiful hut and all. Parisil we call in Tamil these boats, and we have a top portion which is plain. Very elegant one. The hand painting is coming in both sides of the top and only one side at the bottom. Very elegant combination. Beautiful saree, completely hand painted and comes with authentic silk mark.